welcome back to my channel. So today I have a makeup tutorial for you guys using the Too Faced Glamour to Go Dream Edition palette. And I love this palette because there's everything right in this palette. I'm not using anything out of this that much. And it has all the colors. It has 8 different colors in it, and then it also has a blush and a lipstick. And I love this palette because everything is right there. And I think this is like the cutest packaging too. Like, look at that. I love like the little, like the detailing on it. It's so cute. I found it and it is like one of the cutest gifts you could give like your friend if they're just starting out with makeup, or even if you're just starting out with makeup and you want to have like everything right in a little palette. This is a perfect palette for a gift or just for yourself that you can create different looks with. So more tutorials to come with this makeup palette. I just recently got it and I came up with this look, and it's kind of like a light neutral smoky eye, and this is what it looks like. It's really pretty. It has like a neutral like lid, but then like a dark outer corner, so it's like a smoky eye with a neutral twist. And my friend Talia requested for me to do this tutorial, and I was like, alright, I'll go right ahead and do a tutorial. I think it looks super duper pretty, and she requested for me to do a neutral smoky eye, and I think this is perfect for it, and I love it so much. And also, you should definitely go check out Talia's videos. They are so amazing and inspirational. I love them so much. I watch them all the time, so you guys should definitely go check them out. The link will be right here, and it will also be in the down below that you guys can go ahead and click on that. You can check out her channel. Definitely do. She has amazing videos. I love them. Her tutorials are so good. She puts like so much work into her tutorials. They are so pretty and everything. So definitely go check out her videos. They are amazing and really inspirational. So go check them out. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this makeup tutorial using the Too Faced Glamour to Go Dream Edition palette, which I love. And I hope you guys enjoy it. And let's just get right into on how you achieve this gorgeous makeup look. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and take Soft Ochre Paint Pot by MAC. You can use any kind of primer, Too Faced Primer Potion, Urban Decay, any kind of primer that you, Too Faced Primer Potion. Go ahead and put this all over the lid. Just really building this up because we want to make sure that our eyelid is completely primed before applying any kind of shadows or anything to our lid. Underneath. Just like so. Now taking my Too Faced Glamour to Go Dream Edition. Love this. And I'm going to take that color right there. So there's the purple, and I'm going to take that color right there. I don't know what it's called, but it's kind of like a brownish, grayish, purplish color with like sparkles. I'm going to take that color with my MAC 224 brush. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and burn this all over the lid. So I'm going to like, I don't want to burn it like all the way in the inner tear duct because I don't want to make it like super duper dark in that area because we don't want it to be like super duper dramatic. So I'm just going to go ahead and just bring this in, starting the outer corner and then bring it into the inner tear duct. And the reason why we're using a blending brush instead of like a lid brush, instead of like a flat shader brush, is because this way it won't be so dark and less dramatic. So we're just going to go ahead and bring this all over the lid, grabbing more as you. So then it will look like this. Very light on the lid. Now taking this gray color right there. This is just like a gray color. Kind of reminds me of Night Divine from MAC, but it just is a really nice gray color, really like pigmented, and it's right next to the black. And yeah, so I'm going to take this gray color right there with my MAC 222 brush. Then with this color, I'm going to go ahead and bring this right into my crease and into the outer corner. So we're just gonna focus on this area right here of where we're gonna blend this color out. We don't wanna go all the way into the crease, we don't wanna go all the way out here, we wanna focus right in the crease area. Just like so. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and take this color right there. This is kind of like a pinkish nudist color. It's kind of like Mythology from MAC, but it is so pretty. With my MAC 242 brush, a flat shader brush, any flat shader brush will work. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and take this right onto the lid. This is going to make it really nice and light on the lid and not so dark, but that other color is still going to show through that we applied in the beginning to our lid. This is going to make it look like, I don't know, I just love the effect that it has when I put like a pinkish color on my lid. I just love the way it always looks. So now that we have it looking like this, so now for the brow bone color, that is it for the eyeshadow part. Now for the brow bone color, I'm going to take that white color right there. It's like there's a pink white and then there is a white, and I'm going to take the white with my MAC 242 brush. So now that it looks like this, now it's time for liner. For liner today, I'm going to take this Good Night Dreams. So I'm going to take this black liner. Any black liner works basically. So this is just a black liner. Any black liner will work, like I said before. So yeah. What I'm going to do with this is optional. I'm going to line my top waterline and my waterline down below. You don't have to liner the upper if you can't really do that, if it's like difficult, because sometimes it like hurts my eye. And right now my other eye is watering because I did it to that eye, but it like makes the look like with a smoky eye. Now for the upper liner, I'm going to go ahead, and I think with every smoky eye, you always want that smoked out liner. I personally think, I don't know. But I'm going to take the same eyeliner pencil and just kind of tug on my outer corner. And then just create a medium line. We don't want it to be super duper thick because we don't want this to be super duper dramatic, but we don't want it to also be super duper thin. So just in the middle, just like that eye. If you mess up, no worries, because we'll be sure to fix it when we smoke it out. So now that the liner is looking like this, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and take this black color out of the Too Faced Glamour to Go Dream Edition palette with my MAC 219 pencil brush. Any pencil brush will work. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and smoke out this liner. We want this to be smoked. We don't want it to be like a really harsh line. So we're just going to go ahead and smoke this bad boy out. Just like that. So then now we have our smoked out line. Now we're going to do the same right underneath. We're going to take the black color with the same pencil brush and just bring that color underneath. Which is optional too. I just always like my liner to be smoked out underneath. But this is all optional to you. Just like that. So now that the eye look is done, completed, I just went ahead and applied concealer under my eye because sometimes that Too Faced makeup leaves so much fallout. So if you do have fallout, you can do the same. You can just go ahead and fix that under eye because yes, it does have lots of fallout. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and curl my lashes with my Forever curling with my lash curler. Love this lash curler. One of my favorite mascara at the moment, which is what is this called? False Lash Extreme Black from Mock. This is in Extreme Black. Loves this stuff. It's one of my favorite mascaras. Any kind of mascara that has been your favorite at the moment will work. Just go ahead and apply several coats to your lash. So yeah, that is the final eye looks. There we are, both eyes together. Let's zoom out so we can move on to blush and lips. So now for cheeks. So I'm going to go ahead and make this easy and just take the blush out of this little Glamour to Go palette. I love this because everything is right in this palette, which makes this palette a great gift for one of your friends or something if you want to have... just gotta pop this out. So I'm gonna go ahead and take that blush right there. You can also contour with the bronzer, whatever you would like. I'm gonna take the blush with my MAC 129 brush, grabbing it on my brush, smiling, and applying it right to the cheeks. So that's for blush. Now for lips, I'm gonna go ahead and take this color from NYX, and this is a lip smacking fun colors, and this is in Honey. I love this lip shade. It's like the perfect nude. Kind of reminds me of Lady Gaga from MAC. I'm gonna go ahead and apply this right to the lips. So yeah, that is lips. Loves the lips. So yeah, that concludes my makeup tutorial on neutral yet smoky eye. And let's zoom in so you guys can see what the eyes, the lips, and the cheeks look like all together. So here we have the eyes. They're really pretty. They're like have like a peachy on the lid, and then we have that nice brownish grayish color in the outer corner, and that nice smokiness that we bring right under the eye. Then we have the cheeks, which are really pink and peachy, and I love like light cheeks that go great with a smoky eye. Then we have a traditional nude lip that always goes great with a smoky eye. So yeah, and then we have everything all together. So I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial, and I will see you guys next. Request some videos down below, and I love you all so much. Hope that everyone has a great day. Bye! To save loves! And then we just have the then we have a tradition today. Hey everyone! Hey everyone! Hey everyone! I'll do you. Just like that. Whoa, I have something in my eye. So yeah, that concludes this makeup tutorial. This go put on my shirt. Okay. Sit on it. This shirt, okay, is extremely long. Like, I think it's like, I don't know what it's called, but it's like really long. It's like a really long, dressy, shirty thing. Ow, I just almost fell. And I had it in my closet for like, where I could film in the back of my makeup. I could film it right there. But I wanna have my Christmas. Look at what just happened. Oh my gosh. I look like I have a mole now. Oh god. I'm lying. Alrighty, enough of that. Alright, let's just get into the video. 3 months because I bought it at Marshall's and it was like $14 or something, and I never wore it because every single time I put it on I just thought it kind of looked ugly, but it like looked cute in the store, if you know what I'm saying, and then whenever I put it on it looked ugly, so now I just wore it in this video because it finally looked cute with like, I don't even know, it just looked.
You gotta kill me, but look me in the eye.